Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss about the ellipse and its related geometries. Uh, First of all, we will discuss about the ellipse. In case of ellipse, we have to select the one point and the next point, and the ellipse will start drawing along these 2 points. There are 2 types of radius r and the small r. These 2 radius defines the horizontal and the vertical radius of the ellipse. There are 2 radius involved in the ellipse. Next is the partial ellipse. It draws same. We need the 2 points and ellipse is drawn, and we have to click again to show the first portion and the second portion. In this case, it draws the partial ellipse. That's some portion of the ellipse is drawn only. The next is the parabola. Click on some point and the parabola is attached with the point, and wherever you click again, the parabola sets on it, and then it rounds for the starting point of the parabola. Wherever you click, and it starts from that point, and you click again and it starts on the ending point, close on the ending point. The next is the conic, in which we need the 2 points and the height of the conic section, whatever height we want to produce, like this. Again we will draw the conic, the first point, the second point, and its direction, and then the height of the conic. These are the tools used in the ellipse menu.